goodness. Don't hit her, okay? Just drop it in front of her. Do it again, buddy. Next to her. That's so cute, buddy. She is laughing. You're so funny. That's why. Oh my gosh. Oh my, Natalie. That's funny.
I do that, yeah.
Not on her face, okay? Not on her face. You can drop it on her tummy. That's funny.